morning everyone. Oh, it's flipping freezing. Yeah, let's go see how the strawberries are doing, because I sort of rescued 28 strawberries from here. More to rescue, but I'll do that on another day. They've been waiting a year, so I'm sure they'll be fine. Yeah, cool. It's freezing. I might put some rescued strawberries in with the Taunton Dean, because I do need to weed in there, and I need to take off some of the lower leaves on the Taunton Dean. Yeah, so that's probably a good place for them. Well, they look all right. They're not dead. In fact, some of them look like they've actually perked up a bit. They'll have space to grow, and they're not competing with weeds. Let's have a look at the lettuce. I mean, I can see if you can. Let's have a look. I mean, that's a definite. Oh, let's get rid of that one. That's a definite line. I'm not sure if that's the lettuce gone, what, you know, like where the wind just grabs it. There's definitely lettuce growing, so that's good. Just keep that over though, because it is so cold. And talking of lettuce, did I not have? Oh yeah, I actually have some chitted. Chitted lettuce seeds. Oh, look at the blossom. That's still going strong on the apple tree. Absolutely lovely. Yeah. Oh, flipping heck, it's freezing. Oh. Yeah. What was I saying? Lettuce. Come and have a look. I haven't got any horticultural fleece. Yes, I have. I think I have. Yes, I have. Because I need to. Oh, it's dark. Sorry about that. So I thought I'd give it a go and sow actual lettuce seeds, which are really small, but these ones are already in I'll show you. Let me just put you down. Right, in the box, but you know where it's a tape, so it's seed tape. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but it's worth a go. Oh, my fingers are... yeah, this is going to be interesting. I'm going to try and sow them, or sort of put them in the ground in one of my no-dig beds over there at the front. I'm not sure if it's going to work, but we're going to give it a go. This is more that I've actually sown loosely, and the tissue will go in with it, if you see what I mean. And then I'll just gently put a bit of soil on top, and then horticultural fleece on top. In fact, some of yeah, these definitely need sowing. It'd be interesting to see what happens, and I can move them or thin them. I'm thinking move them. This is a complete experiment. It may not work. Worth a try. Lettuce experiment. Right. Oh, it's freezing. Yeah, let's sort the lettuce out first. It's very dark. We'll go outside. Get the gloves on. Get you on the tripod and just see if this works. Just a very quick lettuce experiment. All the seedlings look fine. They've all watered. Nothing's dried out. That's great. Some flowers have gone a little bit nuts. I probably went a bit early, and I'm just going to try and keep them indoors for as long as possible. These ones, and then just as soon as it warms up, mid-May, maybe even use a bit of horticultural fleece to just protect them if I need to. I'm not sure. Let me know what you think. I could get them out now, not today, but soon. But with horticultural fleece around them, that might work. Yeah. I mean, the other thing I'm planning on doing, it's very soon, and I don't know if I've actually shown you this. Do you remember there was 2 beds here? That old beds, old deep beds of wood. There was one there, and I actually took away the wood and then moved the kind of grassy soil over to the sort of pond mound, aka animal shelter, hopefully. So I have to do that to this one. So, and then I can put cardboard down, and this is where I'll be sort of sowing hollyhock seeds. So I need to look that up actually, when to sow hollyhock seeds. I'll put it here in the editing, because it will make me look, and then it'll be a reminder to self. Because I've got loads of hollyhock seeds I saved from last year, and they're so beautiful. I don't know if any of you remember the last summer, the hollyhocks over there Oh, and we could view them from our shed window. They were so lovely. So going back to lettuce, I just thought I'd try and put them in this bed, because this bed's been here for a while, so the cardboard underneath will be completely rotted. But it doesn't matter with seeds, because by the time the roots reach the cardboard, if you want to sow in seeds on fresh no-dig beds, the cardboard would have kind of dissipated or gone very soft that the roots can go through. Yeah, so let's go over there. See you in a bit. Just taking some of the wood chip off. Right, this is the strips. So I'm just thinking, try to put the strips. This is probably where I need to take my glove off actually, because as you tear it away, like a seed comes with it. There's a seed in there. I'm just going to put that seed there, then grab the next and put that there. I mean, this is it is fiddly and it may not work, but it's worth a go because I've tried the tape before. I'll look up what the lettuce was. There's more in my so I would like just kind of cover over. Maybe put a stick there as a reminder where it is. Oh no, maybe a thinner one. There you go. And this is actually, I moved the beds. I'll show you in a minute when I did move. This is one of the new dig beds, because what I was saying just now regarding it's just useful to put these sticks here. Just keep going, and hopefully they take. That's actually got two leaves on it, so but it tears off quite well. And I mean, I won't worry about what way up it is or any of that stuff, because I think the seed will sort of sort itself out, hopefully. I should think so anyway. They know which way to go, don't they? Nature has a way of and if there's two seeds next to each other, I'll just try and separate them later on. I've never done this before, so I'm not sure if this is going to work, but horticulture fleece is really important as well, I think, to use, because it is really chilly. So what is it? Mid-April, and it's stick. So you do the stick before you cover, because I've I'm just borrowing sticks from the what do you call it? That'll do. The wood chip that I got the other day. Oh yeah, stick. Right, and then I've got these, and they're sort of free. I've just used kitchen paper for them, so I'm just going to try and just do my best. And they've already got leaves on a lot of them, so be interested to see how they do. I'm just going to crack on with that. This will take and carry on growing. So the horticultural fleece was obviously there because the weather's going to be pretty cold this week, and probably there will be more frosts coming apparently. Anyway, I think it's coffee time. Cheers everybody. hopefully the lettuce will take. I'm really hopeful on that. Oh, glasses. I was late with my Tuesday's vlog because the boys were watching football. My uploading was interfering with the internet connection. So, yeah, I had to upload at 6 a.m. I mean, obviously, I made it public a little bit later than that, but it's when no one was on telly. We use Fire Sticks because they're cheap and cheerful. But if your internet connection, especially now we're more rural, is not great at all. I'm just going to see if I've got any comments. Let me have a quick look. I'm not sure if I have. Oh, Jacqueline Bust, you said, morning Kerry, hope you're well. I'm sorry I didn't know you had another channel, but subscribe now. I wasn't shouting about it just until it was up and live. I was kind of, you know, it was keeping it under my hat. It's something I've wanted to do for ages, but it doesn't fit with my cooking channel because obviously that's a budget. But like you said, you're agreeing with Julie Ballantyne about trying cooking whatever I eat of it, try to replicate it as a fakeaway. I think that's a fantastic idea. Might not be able to do it really with everything, but certainly with some stuff. The lads will love the takeaways. Thanks for subscribing as well, Jacqueline. I really appreciate that, 100%. I know it sounds nuts, but 4 channels sounds mad a little bit, but they're not related to each other in any way. And because with budget cooking, if I'd have named that a more generic name, I might have been able to have everything under one roof, as it were. But it's very specific, and I don't want to change the name because I quite like it, Budget Cooking UK. And so then, of course, I started an allotment, which there's a link to the cooking because you're kind of growing food to eat. You might be wobbling a bit because it's windy. And then the car one is completely unrelated to the others, but I'm obviously the common denominator, but I don't have a generic name to go under. I should have done maybe, but you know when you can't, thinking of names is actually really hard. It's one of the hardest things when you're thinking up a new business or a shop. Like when I did Etsy, it took me a long time to think up a name, and then once you decide on that name, you kind of got to stick with it. Yeah, Mr. Robin was back. Bumblebee Adventure, thank you. You said thanks for the great video. That's lovely, thank you. Oh, David on I Love MK. You said yes. Hi Kerry. Yes, I am up and about now, and yes, my video went up on a Monday 22nd due to me filming it on a Sunday the 21st. That's April. A really exciting video, this one. I do admire your allotment. I am no gardener and get the hot flushes if someone asks me to help them in the garden. But I have to cut the odd lawn or two. Oh, David, that's funny. Right, I want to say thanks so much for watching, everyone. Thanks to everyone who's gone over to 10 bites as well. I really do appreciate that. I really, really do. Yeah, take care. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.